8th class student exercise 13A time and work. Next question is 17. 17 is question. A cistern, two inlet A and B can fill in 12 minutes and 15 minutes. So you write the time taken by inlet A to fill the cistern is equal to 12 minutes. Work done by inlet A in 1 minute is equal to 1/12 as time taken by inlet B to fill the cistern is equal to 15 minutes. Work done by inlet B in 1 minute is equal to 1/15. C is outlet. Time taken by outlet C to empty this cistern is equal to 10 minutes. Work done by outlet C in 1 minute is equal to 1/10 work done by A plus B minus C in 1 minute is equal to 1/12 plus 1/15 minus 1/10. Take the LCM. LCM is 60. divide by 12 5, divide by 15 is 4, minus 10 6 is 60. After 9 minus 6 is 3 upon 60. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 1 upon 20. Time taken by A plus B minus C to fill the cistern is equal to reciprocal of the 120 20 minutes. Question 17 is complete. Question 18. 18 is question. A pipe fill the cistern in 9 hours and leakage by cistern fill up 10 hours. By pipe in Ura is the 9 hours. 1 hour work will be 1 upon 9. You write the lad the time taken by lad time taken by leakage to empty the cistern is equal to X hours. 1 hour work will be 1 upon X. Time taken by you can leakage the outlet and inlet. Inlet minus outlet fill the cistern is equal to 10 hours. Work done by outlet inlet 1 hour, cistern 1 upon will be 10. Work done by inlet minus outlet in 1 hour work is equal to 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 10. 1 minus 9 minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon x. Take the LCM. LCM is 90. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1 upon x. 1 upon 90 is equal to 1 upon x. After cross multiply, x is equal to 90 hour. After open the both inlet outlet, fill the cistern in 90 hours. Question 18 is complete. Question 19. Question 19 is tank filled by the partly. A pipe and B pipe. 19 question. Time taken by pipe A and B is inlet to fill the cistern is equal to 6 hours. Work done by pipe in 1 hour, cistern is equal to 1 upon 6. As B time taken by B pipe B to fill the cistern is equal to 8 hours. Work done by pipe B in 1 hour is equal to will be 1 upon 8. Work done by both A plus B in 1 hour work is equal to 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 8. LCM is for 24, 6 4 ja and 3 ja. After plus 7 is equal to 7 upon 24. Both pipe are open 2 hours. Work done by A plus B in 2 hours will be 2 into 7 upon 24. 2 divided by 24 is 12. 7 upon 12 cistern has been filled up by A and B. Remain cistern is 1 minus 7 upon 12. 12 1 ja 12 minus 7 is 5 upon 12. 5 upon 12 cistern filled by pipe B. B is 1 upon 1 day work of is 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8 cistern fill in taken time is 1 hour. Remain cistern is 5 upon 12. 5 upon 12 cistern can be to fill the take the time is 5 upon 12 divided by 1 upon 8. 5 upon 12 8 upon 1 is 4 2 ja 8. 4 3 ja is equal to 5 2 ja 10. 10 upon 3 hours. Time will be 3 3 ja 9. 3 hours and 1 into 3 into 60. 320 ja 60. Taken time by 3 hours and 20 minutes. Question 19 is complete and time and work complete. Thank you.